Data will be one of the most important assets that someone can have on the industry. Hi, my name is Rogerio Gomes. I work in the corporate world for several years, and I was probably doing the same reports and the same data for years. The tools that I acquired during the program to enhance my data analysis, for example, Tableau, Power BI, preparing raw data that we didn't use or we couldn't use before, and preparing the data to be analyzed in a better way and extracting better quality out of that. Those tools or knowledge that I got from the program, brought me to another level of experience. Well, learning in a virtual environment, I didn't feel any difference of a presence class. This program can and will provide most of the jargons and explain exactly how the behind the scenes works, right? And I think this will provide you a lot of preparation for the new careers that will come after artificial intelligence. And be more prepared for what is coming in terms of technology moving forward on intelligence and preparing data for that. The Business Analytics Graduate Certificate at Scheller is a great way for professionals to know more about data analytics.